This was Valenzuela in conversation with Leonan Gonzalez. And it looks like no penalty. Carry on. Schaffelberg, since coming into the game, nearly assisted on goal to Jonathan David. Now he picks this one off. Schaffelberg almost fell for Kone, but now it's turned over. Celso deflected back for Crepeau. Cornelius. Canada win a second ball.